Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special for all you motocross enthusiasts. We're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2025 FC450 Factory Edition from Husqvarna. This bike has been generating a ton of buzz, and for good reason. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, premium components, and a striking new design that's sure to turn heads. Husqvarna has a long and storied history in the world of motocross, with a reputation for producing high-performance machines that excel on the track. The factory edition models represent the pinnacle of their engineering prowess, incorporating the latest advancements in technology and design. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition is no exception, building upon the success of its predecessors and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motocross bike design. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition boasts a range of updates and refinements that enhance its performance and rider experience. The 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine has been further refined for 2025, with updates to the mapping. This translates to even more responsive throttle response, increased power throughout the rev range, and improved overall performance. The WP-Zact suspension has been recalibrated for 2025, offering improved damping characteristics and a more plush ride. This allows riders to tackle even the most challenging terrain with confidence and control. The chromoly steel frame has been optimized for improved rigidity and stability, providing a more precise and predictable handling experience. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition features a suite of advanced electronic rider aids, including launch control, traction control, and multiple engine maps. These features allow riders to fine-tune the bike's performance to suit their individual riding style and track conditions. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition sports a bold new look, with updated graphics and a distinctive color scheme that reflects its racing heritage. Of course, the true test of any motocross bike is its performance on the track. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition truly shines in this regard, offering a combination of power, handling, and agility that's unmatched in its class. The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition is a true masterpiece of motocross engineering. It represents the culmination of Husqvarna's years of experience and expertise, delivering a machine that's capable of dominating on any track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more motocross content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 FC450 Factory Edition.